Alright, welcome back. We just finished with the jeans in this series. Today we're going to have a look at slacks and dress pants. I want to show you a way to roll them and store them. Then we can have a look at how to hang them in the next video. So the biggest advantage to rolling the slacks instead of hanging them is that you can store them long term without any stretching in the area where you hang them. I'm going to show you a really cool trick here that you can use. So again, we're going to start with the pants laying down flat with the front facing up, and we're just going to fold them over in half. Like so. Sorry about the small table here. Don't have anything bigger to work with. So as you can see, there will be some slight creasing on the fabric. You want to kind of even everything out. So we're actually going to roll up the slacks instead of folding them. And the reason why is when you fold them, you get these very obvious areas where it creases because of the fold, right? But when you roll it, there is none of these direct folds, so you get a lot less creasing on your slacks. Again, we are going to roll it gently here, anything to avoid wrinkles on these pants, right? So we're just going to start from the waistband and roll down. If you see any creasing appearing as you roll it, you want to kind of flatten it out. Make sure you don't create another crease when you when you flatten it though. That's a very easy mistake to make. So rolling it gently down all the way here. And this is great for long-term storage of the slacks instead of hanging them. You can just let them rest here on the fold like this. If you have a dresser, you can put it in your drawers, and if you have shelves, fine to put it there as well. I like to use this these blocks here. I can link it down below if you want to buy them. This is how I roll jeans. I made a video about that a couple of days ago that you can check out if you want. So you can actually stack them vertically standing up like this as well. I really recommend doing this over folding them. If all your other clothes are folded, of course you can fold them as well. It's very simple and easy to fold up. So once you fold it over in half, you would just fold it like this, and then you can split it in the middle again like this. And there we go. Try to put it on top if it's possible, so they don't get squeezed down. And yeah, that's it for slacks folding. Let's have a look at how you can hang them in the next video. I'm going to link it here in the playlist if you want to see that. I'm also going to add like a step-by-step guide that you can check out on my website, organizing.tv/fold-pants. And yeah, see you in the next video.